Magandang umaga. Good morning. If I'm gonna say good morning, would you answer up? If I'm gonna say buenos dias, will you answer me magandang umaga? Let's try. Buenos dias. Good job. It's in there.
They cannot see it.
It's at the back of the door. I put it there. Alright, so you know what I just thought, like I attended a party last time, Mr. Romero, and I attended a party. Of course there's different teachers there that teach also here in Charlotte, and those teachers are teaching in Garinger.
Okay.
So you know they're finishing Unit 5, Mr. Romero. They finished Unit 5 because next week they're ready to take a test for Unit 5. And they're ready to take the break after that. And they are not doing Unit 6. So as January goes, they will just review for whatever final exam we have.
Okay.
So I said, tomorrow, that's today, we will be working for study guide of Unit 4. Tomorrow would be our test. The next week would be Unit 5. I'm pretty sure that we can finish Unit 5 in just those weeks. Because Unit 5 is short. Alright? So we will all be prepared for January as well with no lesson. We're just reviewing and everything. We're just chilling, you know?
So that means that they need to complete all the tests.
Your parking lot will be the best resources for you. Trust me. We don't have NCFE, but we have final exam teacher men. Meaning to say, you will still need to have a final exam made by your teacher. Alright?
Ok, muchachos, en la base nos llaman la atención sobre lo siguiente. Vamos a hacer el trabajo de recaso general de todo lo que es la unidad 4 del día de hoy. Por favor, utilicen, llenen eso de parking lot por si no, porque es lo que más les ayuda. Ok. Si tienen preguntas el día de hoy, por favor nos dejan saber todo lo que necesiten, no hay ningún inconveniente. Ok. Por favor, los que tienen todavía audífonos, guárdenos por favor, María. María. Okay. ¿Ya copiaron esto en su forma? ¿Listo? Si no lo han hecho, por favor háganlo. Ya vamos a comenzar.
Make sure that you read the warm-up, don't just copy it again. I will try to solve all the review questions so I can get 100 in the test tomorrow. If, in case I can't finish, I will continue at home and check my answers later in Canvas. So the answer key is in where? Canvas. Check it, huh?
Listo, tenemos el repaso de hoy, todo va a estar en Canvas, vamos a hacer el repaso el día de hoy. Si ustedes no alcanzan a terminar el repaso hoy, por favor revísenlo en la casa, todas las respuestas están en Canvas. ¿Okay? Listo. Por favor no olviden utilizar correctamente la mascarilla.
Can I go next? Alright, first question. You need to have a line paper because again, I don't have the machine to make that copy. Line paper, come on, I'm giving you. Do not copy everything, just the question and the answer, that's it. Huh? Question and then answer.
La pregunta y la respuesta correcta. No tienen que copiar todas las respuestas, solamente la respuesta correcta. ¿Y aquí qué necesitas?
No te
Okay, ready? Which statement is true? Let's analyze. Complementary is what? Let me draw a line. If I'm gonna draw a line there, what is the measure of complementary? 90. So, all these are complementary. Complementary angles always add up to 90. Complementary angles always add up to 180. Complementary angles are always congruent. Complementary angles are always vertical angles. Which one is correct? A. Very good. Because you know that it is always add up to 90 because of our strategy here. Remember this, the 90 thing? I told you about this one, right? Good job.
¿Preguntas? ¿Alguien decía algo pero no escuché? ¿Alguien preguntó algo y dejó algo y no escuché? ¿No hay preguntas? Ok. Mascarilla, Carlos, por favor. Kamal, please, your mask. I know you hate it, but you have to do it. Okay.
Okay, next question.
I'm still writing.
Oh, you're still right. You know what I can offer? Because that is in Canvas as well. I put this in Canvas. I don't know if you just want to copy the answers and you will proceed to Canvas and check the questions, or I don't know, it's up to you. Number 2. Which statement is always true? Let us see. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are complementary, and angle 3 and angle 7 are congruent. 3 and 7 are congruent. Complementary. Wait. Is 1, 6 complementary? Do you think they're equal to 90? No. So let's take this out. I don't think that's true, right? Right? Next. I will erase and change it. What about, oh, it's the same. Again, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, and then 3 and 7. Let's see. What? Why is it like that, Mr. Romero?
I don't know. It's let me check the connection out there.
Okay. 1 and 6 are complementary, and angle 3 and angle 7 are supplementary. Do you think this is supplementary? No. So we're taking this out also. Alright? We only have 2 more options. Angle 1 and angle 6 are supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 6. Do you think they will sum up into 180? Look. Angle 1, angle 6. Do you think they sum up to 180? That's how it looks like. Do you think? Is it possible that they will become 180? What do you think? Angle 3 and angle 7 are complementary. Does this look like complementary? No. Okay. I think this one. We don't know yet. Angle 1 and angle 6 are supplementary. Okay, we agree to that. Angle 3 and angle 7 are congruent. Are these two congruent? Yes. So this is the answer. Again, do not copy the question. The choices. Just copy the answer.
Wait, what was that?
Would you like to go to your canvas so you will have your own copy of that? You may. You can see this in Canvas.
Si quieren mirarlo directamente en Canvas, pueden hacerlo. Para que sepan dónde está.
Yeah, you can see that in Canvas.
Ahora, ellos saben dónde está y Carlos estaba preguntando si está en Canvas, ¿por qué no tenemos que escribir? Excelente pregunta. Porque nosotros recordamos y aprendemos por uso de imágenes, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, si tú lo ves y tienes que escribirlo, es mucho más fácil memorizarlo. Por ese motivo lo estamos escribiendo, ¿ok?
Here, I will show you. This is the title, hold on.
La maestra les va a decir cómo se llega allí.
Here, Unit 4, Day 12, Study Guide, Traditional ELL, December 8, 9. Here, December 9. Go to module, come on.
Sigan las instrucciones, por favor, para los módulos.
Why that? So you're not copying the question anymore because you have it in your canvas. Are we good to go to next question?
No, what was it called again?
You see it?
I don't think I can find it.
You don't see it? Module. Go to the last part.
Oh, is this one?
Yeah. Module. Go to the last.
Los módulos.
The last part of the module. The last
Última
module.
parte de los módulos.
Last in the module. Go down. Yeah, that's it.
Módulos.
There you go. See? They opened it already. Yes. Click it. There you go. Next. Okay, let's solve this one. So how would you solve that one? What type? First is to imagine what type of angle do they provide. What angle is that? What angle relation? No, it's not alternate interior. They're not alternate. They belong in the same side interior, or there's another term for this. Consecutive. Consecutive interior, both of them. Okay? So, if they are consecutive, what did it says there? Consecutive. Are they equal to 180 or equal to each other? Equal to 180. So, we will be adding that. Alright. So 5x plus 9x? 14x. What's 3 plus, minus 33? Negative 30 equals 180. If I add 30 in both sides, is it correct? Divided by 14, what is x?
Is that
210.
¿Necesitan calculadora? ¿Necesitan calculadora?
X equals 15.
You said 15? Okay. So x is 15.
Esta parte de question that some of them asked me yesterday that sometimes they do not have the 5x plus 3 in parentheses. So they get confused.
So if they don't have the parentheses, they should have an arrow pointing whichever angle it is.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes they do that.
Okay. Algunas veces, esto pasó ayer, varios estudiantes me preguntaron, me dijeron, Mr. Romero, ¿qué pasa? Porque aquí yo tengo esto en paréntesis y en otro momento estaba sin paréntesis. Es exactamente lo mismo. Usualmente, si no tiene paréntesis, la maestra lo que dice es que tiene esta información y aparece una flecha indicando cuál es el ángulo o a qué ángulo se refiere. Pero con paréntesis o sin paréntesis lo podemos hacer. Entonces, para no dejarnos confundir, ¿ok?
Especially, Mr. Romero, if the space is too small, then we'll just put an arrow and write 4x minus 3, something like that. So pointing that that angle is that.
¿Ok? Este es un ejemplo. Ahí no tiene paréntesis, pero están señalando sencillamente porque no es fácil escribirlo porque el espacio es muy pequeño, entonces lo colocan así, sin el paréntesis, pero aparece la flecha que nos indica cuál es el ángulo al cual se refiere. ¿Ok?
All right. X is 50. Let's go next. Are we good? Next number. So we need to find X. Oh, we need to find that. Okay. So we need to create first the similar triangle. This is smaller than that, right? Hey, is this smaller than this? Yes.
Es más pequeño y abajo que el de arriba, ¿verdad? Smaller.
So we're gonna name the triangle first. U going up would be your first step. Going down would be your second step. So that means that it is triangle U, V, W. How will I name this one? Would I go up as well or go down? Go down. So SU, first step, going right would be my second step. Is it? Do you agree with me? Okay. So that would be similar to triangle what? SUT. Agree? Now, we need to solve that. So let's create a fraction. So this to that and this to that. Okay, we're gonna have 5x plus 11, start copying, divided by 18. Then, UV, alright, UV over SU. UV over SU equals VW, here, VW over also there's no X here. That's okay. So if that's VW, we need to solve UT. So that would be X as well. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. So that would be VW would be 88 and UT would be X because we don't have anything for X. Is it? Okay. So what we're gonna have would be cross multiply. So we'll have X times 5X plus 11 equals 18 times 88. Will you multiply 18 times 88?
Dime. ¿Cuánto hiciste? 18 por 18.
Is the way we write, I think we're right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. This is going down, this is going up. What happened? Carter, what do you think? Are we doing this right?
I think this one I don't know entirely about.
Okay, that will be 5x squared plus 11x. What's 18 times 88? 18 times 88. Huh?
1,584.
You said 1,584. Okay. So, ooh, that's a big number. I don't think we can answer this. Why did I put that? I don't know where did I get this. Where did I get this? I don't know. Let's skip this. We're gonna skip that. We will be back because we're gonna be stuck and the time is running. Okay, will you put an X mark? What number is this, Carter? 5. Will you put number 5 question mark, please? We will be back.
No, no, that's 4, that's 4.
Ah, 4. Carter said 4, not 5. Because you're gonna be stuck. Why I have that problem? I don't know where did I get that. Okay, 2 triangles measures 50 and 45. Oh, 2 angles in a triangle. In a second triangle, wait, let me draw. First triangle, 2 angles of them measures 50 and 45. I'm just reading what I know. If a second triangle is similar, so meaning this is also 50 and that's 45, to the first triangle, what is the measure of the largest angle of the second triangle? So they're asking this part. So what's 50 plus 45? Okay, so 50 plus 45 is 95. You need to subtract it to 180. What we give you? 85.
Hold on, I'm still writing.
Huh?
I'm still writing.
So that's 85.
Si quieren podemos hacer una cosa. Ustedes tienen allí todos los todas las preguntas. La maestra está resolviendo todo. Tienen lo copian y aparte de eso toman fotografía para que puedan estudiar en su celular. No sé. Toman la fotografía del ejercicio y ya resuelven. ¿Ok? ¿Listo, Marcos? Sí.
Okay, next.
No, I'm still writing.
Marcos. Jose, do you understand?
Hold on.
José, viniste ayer. Vinieron, ¿quién quiere? Ah, sí, tú no estás jugando. Estudiando.
Sarah, you may go advance and ask the tutors if you want, huh?
Hold on. How did you answer this?
$45.50. It's 95. Subtract to 180.
Oh, that's what that was. Hold on.
Interior is 180, Carl. Can we go next?
Wait, I don't think you answered the question.
It is. What's the measure of the largest angle? That's 85. I did.
Yeah, but that's the same triangle because they're using the same other two.
Similar. Remember I told you, angles are congruent regardless of size. If this is 45 and 50, this will also be the same.
Okay.
And subtract that, subtract to 180, that gives you 85. So we answer the question. Okay? Next. So this is just, which one will tell you if one, oh, is it Jaquan?
Yeah.
Okay, Jaquan claims the 2 triangles are similar. One triangle has angle measuring 26 and 35, 26 and 35, and the other triangle has measuring 119 and 26. Now, is Jaquan correct and why? What do you think? Is he correct? Let's answer. If I'm gonna add 26 and 35, what will it be? 61. If we will subtract this 1 to 180, what is it? 119. So mine is on the other. Okay. So if I have 26 here and I have 119 here, what would be this angle? 35. Now, do they look the same? Are they equal? Because they are similar. Angles are always congruent regardless of their size. Do you understand? Okay, now, so which one is the correct answer for that? Yes, the triangle are similar by Sas Postulate. What is Sas? Side, angle, side. We did not touch any side, is it? We just did angles. So we're not taking this chance to have our answer. No. Now, yes, the triangle are similar by AA postulate. What does AA stands for? What is AA stands for?
¿Qué significa una?
Angle, angle. Meaning, how many angles did we solve here? How many angles?
No, ¿cuántos ángulos se solucionaron?
Okay, dots. So I think AA would be the best explanation for this. Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
We saw two angles, 1 and 2. AA, angle, angle. Make sense?
Yeah, I was just confused because we never talked about that.
So that's the answer. Yes, the triangle is similar by the AA postulate. That's the answer. Can we go next? So we can finish everything. There are 19 questions for this slide.
19, not 90.
Ready?
Yeah.
You said yes. Okay, next question, number 8. Okay, number 8, Carter, you like this? Which two statement must be true? Look, MQ is congruent to NR. Is that correct? No. So we're not choosing that. Now, is QP congruent to MQ is congruent to QP? Yes. Look at Carlos. Yes. So that's 1. Next, is QP congruent to RP? No. So we're not choosing that. Next, is QR equals to 1/2 of MN? Yes. So we're choosing this. Good job. Next, is QR 1/2 of MP? Where's MP? Oh, here.
No.
Is that? No. So we're not choosing that. Go. Copy.
Recuerden que pueden hacer preguntas y pueden utilizar el paraquedado.
Only the answers, ha? Huwag yun, don't, I'm speaking in Tagalog. Wag means no.
Oh.
What would I want to say is, Do not copy the questions because you have it in your PowerPoint. I said, wag. Ready? Oh, you said no. Finish. Good job. Carter, finish? Okay. Next. Oh, you like this as well. You like this. Come on, come on, come on. Carlos like this. What is the measure of triangle DBC? Where's DBC? Up here. What's that angle? Listen. What this line mean? What do you mean by this line? That they are what? They are the same, equal, congruent, what else? Alike. Okay? So if they are the same, whatever we got, we have an idea that these two are congruent because these are the same. So these two angles are congruent because it is, what type of triangle is this? Isosceles. Now, if that's isosceles triangle, if that's 78, what is this, Marcus?
Sí, el de la derecha 78.
Okay, very good. Good job. Now, what is 78 plus 78?
156.
Carter, will you repeat?
156.
Now, subtract to 180. 34?
No, 24.
Oh, 24. Okay, so this is 24, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Now, look. Since this is 78, I know that this line is the same, right?
Yes.
So which one is the opposite of this one? That? Oh, now look, Carter. These and this angle are also congruent because of the markings. This big triangle here, that triangle, this triangle, and that triangle is also isosceles. Okay, now, if that's 78, if I'm gonna be providing the 180 degree for this, what would be 180 minus 78?
102.
Okay, 102. So this is 102, right? So from 102, 180 minus 102 is again 78. Now since we have two sets of no angle, what will I do to 78? Divide by 2. Is it? So divide by 2, what's the answer?
39.
30?
39.
33.
39.
You said 29?
39.
39. Hey, I have a big blower here. The fan makes you like this. Trust me. So it's 49. It's 49?
30.
Hey, look what I wrote. 30. So that's 39 and this is 39. Did you get it?
¿Se entendió? Sí. Okay.
Cynthia. Geraldine.
I know it's hot here and you want to finish.
I know. You will be added in sleepy. What's that, Mr. Romero?
I'm sorry?
What's that they added in South Mex? Sleepy heads?
Yeah.
What is it, yeah?
Subject sleep.
You're gonna be added there. We will write your name, Geraldine and Cynthia. Next. Did you see that? I'm checking if my son is there, Mr. Romero. No.
They told me there are 2 teachers.
Oh, really? Huh? Okay. If my son is there, an angle in an equilateral triangle is equal to 20 plus 4x. What is the value of x? Okay, everyone, go ahead, hon. And then equal to 180, P1. Or just 60. That's another way. London, keep it up. That's another way, huh? Now, what type of triangle is this? Equilateral. It says an angle in an equilateral triangle is equal to 20. So all of this, Mr. Romero, is 20 plus 4x.
With no parentheses, like we were talking before. Okay.
20 plus 4x. Now, the question is, we need to find the value of x. So how will you solve it?
20 equals 4x equals 6.
You can have that. Very good. Very good. This is perfect. What London did, Mr. Romero, is another way. What she did, yes. She multiplied 20 plus 4x and equal to 180. Isn't it smart? So either way, you still get the correct answer, huh? Okay?
Entonces, sí que hay 2 formas diferentes. La forma que tenemos al lado derecho, que es lo que siempre hemos venido haciendo, o si queremos hacerlo de manera diferente, tenemos la otra que es una y que es 3, factor de paréntesis, multiplicación de 20 más 4x, y eso es igual.
Okay, subtract 20. X equals 10. It says what's the value of x only, that's it. Right?
I got x equals 5.
Yours?
I got
Let me
20.
see. You got 20?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong? 6 minus 2, 40.
Oh, wait. Never mind. I accidentally added.
So that's 6. No, that's
Viste, una pregunta, ¿cómo el 20 más x, no, 4x es igual a 60?
40.
20 más 4x igual a 60. ¿Cómo? Yo pensé que era como 20 por 4.
Lo que pasa es que como son 3 ángulos, 60 por 3 le da 180. Y es la suma de los ángulos.
Is he comparing this to Mr. Romero?
No,
Why
he was asking like, how come 4x equals 60? I told him that because we have 3 angles equal to 60 because of the sum, the total sum of the inside angles are 180.
Brittany!
¿Otro papel? Okay. ¿Alguien más necesita papel?
Can we go next? Carter, you good? Paper? Mr. Romero, Carter needs paper as well.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Ready? Two triangles in a diagram are similar. What's the value of x? Okay, let's go. X, 5, 48, 6. So we can put them in fraction. So 5 over x is equal to 6 over 48. You can do vice versa if you want. Okay, so cross multiply. 6 times x equals 5 times 48. What's 5 times 48?
5 por 48.
Can we just open? Are the doors still open?
Yes.
So we can have a better, you know.
240.
Ha!
240.
You said 240
Yeah, 48.
divided by 6.
40. Ah, marica, sí.
So x is 40. Very good. You got this?
Hold on.
We're halfway done because it's 11. Mask? There you go. It's much better now, Mr. Romero.
Yeah, I think so.
Can we go next?
No, I just got this.
I think we can finish this because it's still 8 and we still have 35 minutes. London, you don't want to work with the tutors? Sarah, what number are you now? Okay.
Hold on. I do have one question. How did you get all of this?
So, it's up to you where you're gonna start. If you want to start with this one, I have these. If you want to start with this, I have that. So, this part and this part, that part and that part. Fraction.
I don't.
Carter, the only missing there are letters, but they're the same. These are similar triangle. If you're gonna fold the triangle going here, these two would be proportions, and these two would be proportions.
Okay, but I don't know where all of that comes from.
So, which do you prefer? To start with a small one going big or big going small?
I don't know. I don't know the difference of these.
Carter, or means you have the option.
I know, but I don't know how to do either. Or what I don't know what I'm doing with that one.
Carter, look. If I'm gonna flip that, if I'm gonna flip the small one, if I'm gonna flip, it would be 5 and 6. You see the proportion part?
Yeah, I already know that. I don't know why. I don't know how you get the rest, like all the equations.
Oh, x times 6.
Where do you get that from?
Cross multiply. Remember cross product?
Yeah, I'm wondering where you're getting that from. Like, how do you know to do that?
How do you know what?
How do you know to do that?
Maybe where did she get the numbers from? Is that your question?
This.
No, I wasn't asking that. How do you know to cross multiply? Like, what tells you to do that?
Oh, because you're solving for x and there's no way for you to do it like across. No. Because of the equal symbol, Carter, you need to cross product. That's cross product. We did this yesterday, London. So x times 6 is 6x. 5 times 48 is 240. Divide by 6, you got 40.
I get that part. I
Carter, this is equal symbol. Any fraction, two sets of fraction with an equal symbol would be cross product.
I already know that now, but I was wondering how do you know to put them into fractions?
In fractions, this is what I'm telling you, proportion. Look, you said you know this already.
No, I said I know where they were supposed to. I didn't say anything about fractions. I didn't know.
So which part makes you confused?
Why are there fractions?
Oh, because they are, this similar means proportion.
What does that have to do with fractions?
Look at your lecture yesterday. We did this. You know how big the warm-up yesterday? Did I ask you the pink paper? I wrote proportion, similar. We will be doing all. The only missing here are letters. That's the only thing missing here.
So proportions means fraction.
Yes. Proportion means fraction.
Okay. Did I help you?
I don't know.
Okay.
But do you understand now how?
So you can double check your notes from yesterday, and if you still have a question tomorrow before the quiz,
Exam.
the exam, we can take care of your question. Does that make sense? Okay, let's do it that way, okay?
Entonces, una pregunta que, ¿qué pasaría si ahí en la X se fuera al revés? Si la X estuviera abajo y la X arriba.
Okay. See, his question is what would happen if we have this backwards. Okay?
Yeah, that's that.
Es lo que tenemos aquí.
It's the same.
¿Listos?
That's why I put or. Because you have the other.
En esto tenemos dos opciones. Tengo la de arriba o tengo la de abajo. ¿Qué significa o? Quiere decir que puedes hacerlo de una o de la otra forma. ¿Listos? Ahora, el resultado es exactamente el mismo. Si te das cuenta aquí,
It's the
x por 6
same, yeah.
son 6x. Si tú lo haces aquí, x por 6
Sí.
son igualmente 6x. Igual a 5 por 48. 5 por 48 o 5 por 48. ¿Listo? Lo importante es saber cómo coloco los números acá. ¿De acuerdo? ¿Y eso qué quiere decir? Los dos que tengo aquí los voy a colocar 5 igual a 6 dividido en el valor que tengo en el otro triángulo. ¿De acuerdo? Y se coloca aquí y la X la coloco aquí en este lado. ¿Listos? Y ya de ahí yo tengo la opción de hacerlo de esta forma o de invertirlo como esta forma, que es lo que me acabas de preguntar. ¿Listo? Muy bien.
Can I go next?
Yes.
Okay, this. Oh, this is easy. Don't tell me this is hard, huh? This is transversal. Okay, what type of angle are these two? Tell me. Huh? You said alternate exterior. Huh? Now, what is an alternate exterior? Is that equal to each other or equal to 180?
Each other.
Equal to each other. So how will I solve for x here? Okay, 16x plus 22 equals 134. Very good. Okay, now we need to subtract 22. So 16x will be equal, what's 144 minus 22? 112. Divided by 16.
Is 7.
Okay, 7. Question?
No.
go next. Oh, select which statement is true. So which one will tell you the correct theory? Adjacent angle are congruent. Is it always congruent? No. So we cannot choose this one. Supplementary angles add up to 180. Do you think that's true?
Yes.
A supplement, look, if I'm gonna put that and this and that, what is that?
Was
180, right? So this will be correct. Agree, disagree? Complementary angle add up to 180. No. Supplementary angles add up to 90.
no.
Vertical angles add up to 180. Vertical. Is this 180?
Yes.
No.
No.
No. Right? Complementary angles are congruent.
Yes. No?
Not all the time. Complementary angles add up to 90. You said yes? Vertical angles are congruent. These two, are they congruent?
Yeah.
So how many are true? Can we go next?
Listo, ya tomaron sus notas.
Okay, next. Remember, tomorrow you cannot use that. Your work, you cannot use your work. That's why we're practicing at this point. No! I understand that. Okay, next. Find the measure of the interior angle. Okay. 65 plus 50. What's the total interior of the triangle? 180. Let's subtract these two angles. 50 plus 65. What is it?
65 because
This is 115. So 180 minus 115? 65. So X is 65. Good job. Good job. Few more. And we'll finish. Are we good? You said yes, Carter. Ah, no? Okay, here. No, good. Okay, that. Oh, look at the arrow. This is what Mr. Romero and I are explaining to you. If the space is not enough, they use this arrow where the angle measures because of the small space.
You can put it in there.
So how will you solve that? What topic is that? That is E. What is this?
Exterior angle.
That's E80, right? Do you remember that? So how will you do that? Tell me.
You add.
Add what?
1 and 48. Yeah.
So you're gonna add that. What is 48 plus 71?
119.
You said 119.
Yeah.
And then, that's the answer for us. Okay, next. E80. Oh, what about this one? If that's 40, and these two segments will identify that they are congruent, what can you say about these two angles? That they are what? They are equal. So, we need to find this angle and that angle.
I was saying that that angle.
1 is the angle. That's angle 1. So, what is angle 1? 70? Okay, I don't know. Let's check. What's the total again of this triangle?
180.
180. So, 180 minus 40 is what? So, 140 divided by 2 because there are 2, right? Okay.
I thought it was saying it was 1 degree.
No, that's not degree. 1 is the name of the angle. There's no letter, so 1 will replace the name of the angle. So this is 70. Can we go next? Yes. Carter, you finish? Oh, you know how to do it, right?
What, that one?
Yeah? Okay, in the diagram below, which pair of angle has the same measure? Tell me. Is it A, 1 and 2? Is it B, 2 and 3? Is it C, 1 and 4? Is it D, 2 and 4? Ha! Because they are what type of angle? They are
Vertical.
vertical. See? Okay, next. Okay, ready? In the diagram below, JL intersect KM at point K. Now, the question is, we need to find the value of X. How? What type of angle will they form? What is angle? They are supplemental. Who said that? Are you? You again? I'm just kidding with you. Okay.
Always Maria.
Okay. So meaning, that would be x plus 2x equals what? 180.
Oh.
So what is x plus 2x?
3x.
So divided by 3 will give you what? I think we're finished, no? Oh, no, no.
There's one more.
No. Ready? Who said that? Marlo? Okay, next. Carter, you good? Okay, in the diagram below, line R, T are parallel and line P is a transversal. If angle 6 is 132, what is angle 2? What?
48.
Huh?
48.
Why?
I forgot what it was called.
You know how? What type of angle is this?
Angle 1 is 132, and then usually 180 minus 132 is going to be angle.
Okay, you're answering what, you're explaining what Carter answered. So 180 minus 132 is a what? 40?
48.
48. So that's 48. But what I'm asking now, what type of angle are these? Same side what? Same side, huh?
Next.
X.
¿Qué? ¿Tiene? Porque, o sea, ¿de dónde salió el 132? ¿De dónde salió? O sea, 132. Dice aquí, solamente le diste esta parte aquí, pero no le diste. Dado que el ángulo 6 es igual a 132, este es el ángulo 6, 132. Entonces, ¿cuál es la medida del ángulo 2? El ángulo 2 está aquí. 180 menos 132 igual 48. Ok. Recuerden, toda la información está allí. Si está allí en su examen es porque ustedes lo necesitan, ¿ok? No es decoración.
Ready? Carter, you good?
No.
It's segment.
¿La tomaste?
Okay. So, what is X? It's easy.
¿Ya tiene frío? ¿Quieren que lo apague uno? No.
What is X? Carter said 3. Agree? Why? Half. 6 dividido 2. Huh? You got it? Now, do you understand our review? You do? Okay. So we have, what number is,
That's a question mark. It was 4.
4. It's 4. You said 4. Okay, now, later, upon, what do you call that? So, upon uploading the video later, watch it again, ha? Watch it again. Do you hear me? Because through watching, again, you're not gonna use this one tomorrow. You're not. So, you need to watch. You need to watch the video, ha? Watch the video so you will remember how we do that. Okay? Do you have any question?